Last month, I made over $32,000 for my recruiting business, acquiring one very qualified recruiting client using the free version of LinkedIn. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can apply my strategy as soon as today. I'm going to dive into my bank account and show you the numbers that came in just 30 days. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, guys, so here it is. Here's my bank account. The first deposit went in on 6/29/2022 for over $16,000. And the second deposit, upon me submitting a few candidates to my client, came in on August 2nd, again, $16,166. So there is the social proof of how I made over $32,000 in just about 30 days. All right, so the way in which I brought in this client was through a very healthy, consistent, steady dose of LinkedIn content. And as you can see right here, the post that I made, I was able to acquire over 362,000 impressions, eyeballs on this particular post that I created 2 months ago, leading up to me getting this hyper targeted and qualified recruiting lead. From there, I went ahead and shared a lead magnet that I've created for my clients. And I've also was able to acquire a lot of these clients through one-on-one video marketing. It's very personalized. I'll give you an example of what it looks like through LinkedIn. So here's a client that I acquired through this strategy, and it looks just like this. So here's me waving in the camera, animated, person's name, video message out to them. This crushes cold calling, crushes cold email. This has been the #1 strategy for me and my members to get 90% open rates and between 20 to 30% reply rates.